Ever dreamed of exploring the vibrant heart of Jamaica? Welcome, fellow wanderers, to an exhilarating journey through the top 5 must-visit places that'll make your wanderlust soar. Imagine basking on the iconic 7 Mile beach, feeling the rhythm in Kingston, marveling at Negral's breathtaking sunsets, being enchanted by Dunn's River Falls, and experiencing the thrill of Mystic Mountain. We're about to embark on an epic adventure that paints a picture of Jamaica's heart and soul. Ready to start? Buckle up for an unforgettable journey. Coming in at number 5 is the iconic 7 Mile beach. A wondrous expanse of pristine white sands, gently caressed by the crystal-clear azure waters of the Caribbean. This is the place where relaxation meets adventure. You can soak up the sun, build sandcastles, or dive into the vibrant underwater world with snorkeling and scuba diving. Or perhaps partake in a spirited game of beach volleyball or simply wander along the water's edge as the sun sets. A paradise for beach lovers, 7 Mile Beach is truly a gem. At number 4, we have the pulsating rhythm of Kingston. This city is the heartbeat of Jamaica, where reggae music thrives and resonates through every corner. It's not just a genre, it's a lifestyle, a cultural revolution that's uniquely Jamaican. From the legendary Bob Marley to the vibrant dancehall scene, Kingston offers an immersive musical experience that's absolutely electrifying. Whether you're a music enthusiast or a curious traveler, the reggae rhythm of Kingston will leave an indelible mark on your soul. Kingston's reggae rhythm is sure to get your heart racing. Negral's breathtaking sunsets take the 3rd spot. Picture this: an ever-changing canvas of the sky painted with hues of orange, pink and purple. As the sun dips below the horizon, it leaves behind a spectacle of colors, casting a magical glow over the tranquil waters. Negral's sunsets aren't just beautiful, they're transformative. The serene atmosphere, the gentle lapping of the waves, it's a symphony of nature that captivates your senses, making it a haven for nature lovers. Negral's sunsets, a sight that will leave you speechless. The enchanting Dunn's River Falls claims the 2nd spot on our list. This cascading marvel is a spectacle of nature's grandeur, where crystalline waters tumble down a limestone staircase into the warm Caribbean Sea. Here, you can embark on a thrilling climb up the falls, or simply soak in the lush tropical surroundings. The exhilarating rush of the water, the serene beauty of the landscape, it's an experience that truly encapsulates the spirit of Jamaica. Dunn's River Falls, a place where nature's magic unfolds. And the number 1 spot goes to Mystic Mountain, a realm where the thrill of adventure intertwines with the serenity of nature. Picture this: you're soaring through the lush canopies, heart pounding with excitement on the bobsled ride, or you're suspended high above the ground on the Sky Explorer, absorbing the mesmerizing views. Perhaps you're sliding down the infinity pool with the Caribbean Sea as your backdrop. Mystic Mountain encapsulates the soul of Jamaica, vibrant, thrilling, and absolutely breathtaking. Mystic Mountain, where adventure meets nature at its best. So, what are you waiting for? The vibrant heart of Jamaica beckons. Don't just witness, be a part of this exhilarating journey. Dive into the adventure, then come back and share your story. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, drop your travel dreams in the comments below, and share this video with your fellow explorers. Plus, for the coolest travel gear, check out the link in the comments.